Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is sandeko pasta or spicy pasta salad. This is very simple to prepare and the taste is great. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a sandeko pasta or spicy pasta salad, here I have taken 1 lb boiled pasta. I have onion sliced, red bell pepper and chopped tomato, and I have garlic slice, ginger slice and chopped green chilies, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per the taste. And I have this spicy mixture too. So in a pan I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. So oil is heated, so now I'm gonna add this garlic, ginger and green chilies. And next add this red bell pepper too. And saute this for 1 minute. And now I'm gonna add this pasta. And saute this for 1 minute. So now this pasta also ready. So transfer this in a bowl. Next I'm gonna add this onion slice and tomato, coriander leaves, chaat masala, red chili powder, salt, lemon juice, then give it a good mix. Now add this mixture. Now our sandeko pasta is ready. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.